Guys, today I have the smallest printer in the world. Maybe it is. Yeah. I'm going to show you this cool printer right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. And yes, I want to show you this cool printer. It works with the Bluetooth and you can do wonderful things. I want to show you this. Yes. Right now, let's do an open box. As you see here, there are a few pictures, right? We can scan, print, journal, to-do list, and much more. Now, the printer is compatible with iOS devices, Android, Bluetooth, and rechargeable batteries. All right. Open the box out. And the first thing we have, the manual. Very simple, guys. The only thing you need to do is just pair it right with your cell phone. That's everything. And I guess use your computer if you want, but the app is pretty cool. That's the secret of this cool printer. And guys, I will leave you the name of the software you need to download right on the screen right now. All right. Remember, iOS devices and Android as well there. Okay. Yeah, it looks like a stamp. That's pretty cool. So the only thing you have in the box to charge it, USB micro to A. So use your computer, phone charger, power bank, and whatever you decide to use it to charge it. Remember, when you get this for the first time, you need to charge it a little bit. So I like the design. Cool. Right? An envelope. Nice. International. And micro USB for charging. And right on the side, you can open that right there. Boom. And remember, this is a thermal printer, right? So you need to get a special paper. I will explain right in the end how the whole thing works. All right, so that's the roll there. And yep, that's a sticker, by the way. Sticker paper is cool, so we can print a lot of cool things here. And as you see, it's an example some of the things we can use here. So you see, that's a sticker. So, oh, great. It will give you a lot of good ideas to use this printer. Use some of the stuff I did. Even I print a picture of my cat, right there. Yeah. So, and you can do lighting. You can do a lot of effects through the application. All right, let's close this. Let's turn it on. That's on. It's already paired. When it's not paired, it's going to blink. All right, so it's already connected. And what I did now, so you guys can see the name of the printer, I'll show you. Let's go right over there. And it goes into my Bluetooth there. And we see that M02S, right? And it's already paired. I already find it there. All right, as soon as you turn it on, my phone automatic pair. Go back to the app, and that's the application. How nice, huh? You can do all kinds of things. We can scan, we can print. You got templates, toolbox, graphics. There is so many things we can do from this app, even web page. To give you an idea, you see there, just put graphics there, all kinds of graphics, comic book, festival, basis. So imagine there is so many things, even more. You can download it online. You can do a lot of cool things here. Huh? Even numbers, right? All right, so we have something cool to print. Let's print some Christmas stuff now. Holiday time. It's simple there. So I'm going to hit now print. That's it. I'm going to print. But I have to connect it first to the app because didn't do that. So select it there. Connect. And that one is connected. Now you can print as many times you want. Print and check this app. Oh, man, this is super cool. See? Then just go and go. That's it. Now they got this super cool, sticker that you can place anywhere. Just run the imagination. There are a lot of cool things we can use here from this cool printer. I said the smallest printer in the world. Now, on paper-wise, I'm going to leave you a few links on the paper. There are a few type of papers. Remember, this is a thermal printer. Doesn't require any ink. So if you go to the supermarket, right, and you get a print. Right, you will see after a year or so, actually it starts getting disappears because it's a thermal printer. So that's a few papers. You can get the regular paper that lasts up to 2 years, and then you got the other one that is up to 20 years. If you want to put something or print a picture, you want to last for a while, right? Maybe you want the 20, and the difference is about $1. And they got all kind of paper. They got paper with stickers and with colors and all kind of things you can get. So to get the paper and get this real cool printer, guys, I'll leave you the link right below this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.